got?
That's my home.
Nice. Good job. All right. Okay, we're at Walmart, and I said one toy.
Huh.
How many do you have?
4.
4 toys. Okay. We have to put some of this back.
No. No, thank you.
No, thank you. Let's see what you got. Got Gravedigger,
Blue Thunder,
Blue Thunder,
Children, Modern Modality, and Whiplash,
and Monster Mini. That's a mystery one, right?
and Children.
Nice. That's gonna be so cool.
No. Well, I don't see the short one. The short one is Children.
Soldier Fortune. Want me to grab this?
Yeah, you know who the Children.
Okay. Soldier. I thought we have Soldier Fortune. No, not this one.
No. We do have him. What models are mini?
Which one do you think it's in there?
Children.
Nice.
I can also will go.
You think so? Why? You feel horns?
Yeah.
Nice. That's pretty smart if you're right.
I don't feel horn.
No, what do you feel?
I feel. Let me. Ooh, I feel the top and I will go.
Is it horns?
No, the top.
Okay. Let's,
Three in the middle.
I can't tell. Maybe we'll see when we open it.
Open it.
Not right now. We gotta pay for it.
I think it.
Yeah, let's go over here. Let's go.
Do we have Monster My Galaxy? That's the same one.
We don't. We don't have Monster My Galaxy.
I don't know who's more excited, Mom or Cameron.
Oh, man.
Oh, we have Alien Invasion.
Yeah, alien invasion. Mom,
Yeah.
Yeti.
What?
Yeti.
Oh, okay. Cameron. Dad just dropped her. Okay. Cameron, we just dropped our sister.
Yeah.
Bike.
You know the children one.
Oh, they have stripes. This place is cheaper than Target. We already have. We don't have stripes. Okay, wait. Let's check to see if we have any. If there's any other ones we don't have.
Want to try it?
Banana bread.
Yeah, I can get some for you.
Give me more banana. Give me more banana. Give me more banana. Give me more banana. Give me more
Are you
banana.
following me, sir?
Give me more banana.
All right. Let's see who we got.
Whiplash and Modern Modality.
Nice. Open them up. Let's see if Cam can do it this time. Be smarter than the box. Oh, yeah. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, yeah. Get it. Oh, yeah. He got it. He got it. Look at that. Nice. Ooh, yeah. Let me see. Bring him closer. What's this one called?
Whiplash.
Whiplash. Whoa. Give us a tour. Whoa. Look at that hood. That's awesome. Look at the wheels. What's this guy?
Modern Modality.
Whoa. Monster Mutt Galaxy. Wow. Turn it. Whoa. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Nice. What else we got? Alien Invasion or Soldier Fortune? Oh, this one. Who's this?
Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder. But why is he white?
Flood. That is a stretching.
Oh, okay. We'll have to find out. I know it's a good question, but we'll have to find out. Okay, we got to open one more, right? Oh, we got a mini. Let me see that thing. I can't see it on the camera. Whoa, look how small that is. Put it in your hand so people can see how small. Look at it. It fits in your band. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Hi, little Toro. Hi, little sister. And we forgot this guy. What's this guy? Gravedigger? Galaxy? Whoa, where's Soldier Fortune? Let's see it. Whoa, this guy is awesome. Little sister wants El Toro.
No.
Whoa, Soldier Fortune.
Not root him.
We have to keep an eye on you. Wow. This thing is so cool. All right, we're gonna go get the dragon and launch him.
I should put it.
Oh yeah, we got more monster trucks.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Right.
Another Gravedigger?
Yeah.
Oh man, all right, open it up. Let's go, let's see. Yeah. Come on, faster. Ooh. Does it come with a poster too?
She's what?
Oh, what's that person?
What? Good shit.
Oh, and a poster. Let me see the gravedigger while you open that up. Woo!
What's the poster doing? The poster doing fall down. Poster doing.
One more poster.
Those are mine, Whiplash.
Really?
And then who we got?
What?
Whiplash!
Oh, we don't have that one.
Whiplash!
Let me see. Whiplash. Ooh.
Whiplash! Whiplash!
Nice. All right, open another one. Bro, look at all these. What's next? What's next? Right here. That one comes with a ghost? Right there.
Crustacean.
What's his name?
Crustacean.
Whoa.
Whoa. That was easy.
That was real easy. Wait, what's that thing?
A monkey.
Looks like a ghost. Whoa. Crustacean, like the fish? So smart. These names.
What?
Let me see. What is it, a lobster?
No.
I was craving lobster today. Whoa, that one's cool. That's my favorite one. Let me see the ghost. I don't think it goes in there.
Doogie googie goo.
What is that thing?
One one.
Last one.
Daddy.
Oh. Last one, and then we'll launch them. Oh, man.
Whiplash.
Another Whiplash? Oh, we had the poster.
There's a poacher. That's a Whiplash poacher.
Should get another angle. We can get multiple
Whoa.
angles.
That is a watch.
Now we're talking. Okay, open it up. Hurry.
We're gonna get another poacher. Open on Whiplash.
I hope it's not either.
Poach.
See the Whiplash? What's this thing on the back?
A wheelie bar.
A wheelie bar. What does that do?
It makes
Whoa.
it taught us to do wheelies.
That looks cool. That's awesome. Who do we get this time?
Open on Whiplash.
Another.
No, Dad, I don't know.
Who is it?
Whiplash.
Yeah. Maybe we can give that one away.
No.
You want both?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's launch it. All right, we got Crustacean, Gravedigger, and Whiplash. Who do you think's gonna win, Cam? You sure? All right, ready, go. Who won?
Gravedigger and Crustacean.
It's a tie. All right, let's do it again.
So what a Whiplash?
Whiplash got Whiplash. Ha 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 ha.
Whiplash got whips.
Oh, that's good.
Whiplash got whips.
Okay, one more time. Because we don't have a clear-cut winner. We need a winner here. Again? Whiplash is out of the race. Just do Gravedigger and Crustacean.
And Gravedigger.
That Gravedigger?
Ah.
Whoa. How do you? What?
So sorry. One monitor might get watch.
How come it's not going down? Okay. Hey, not yet, Gravedigger.
Yeah, not yet.
Okay, ready. We gotta get smoke bombs.
So what? For a dragon.
Yeah, ready, set, go. Oh, pile up. Gravedigger! Finally. Why'd you use the remote with your other hand?